Welcome to the Technology and AI Gateway channel. I posted a previous video on how to make the most of the Pika website, which generates videos using artificial intelligence, and I said that improving video quality is no longer available for free. Therefore, in this video, we will see how to improve the quality of videos generated from the Pika website or from any other website that generates videos or any video you have. So let's go through the details. Our first site is Vmake.ai, which is a free site, but it is limited, and we will see what that means. First, from here you can upload the video without registering. We are waiting for it to be uploaded and improved. As you can see, after the video quality optimization process is complete, we have two buttons. We can download a 5-second video preview in high quality, which is a good thing. For example, if you have videos that you generated from Pika website, which in the free plan gives you only 3-second videos. Here you can improve these videos completely free of charge and without the need to register. But if you have a video that is more than 5 seconds long and you want to improve it, you must register on the website. And here we only have registration from Gmail or Facebook, and I think that it is better to sign up from Facebook if we want to create many accounts to make the most of the website. Let's upload this video that is longer than 5 seconds. Means that you must download it from here after signing in. The second website is the wonderful CapCut, which has many amazing features that need to be explained in a special video. Among these features is the feature of improving the quality of videos. After we log into the website, we click here, then here. Then choose the option to improve the quality of videos. After that, we upload the video. Then we click here. Then we wait until the video quality upgrading process is complete. After completing the process of improving the video quality, click here, Export. And from here, as you can see, we can upload the video directly to social networking websites. From here, you can download it to your computer. Let's move on to how to make money from video quality improvement. There are several ways to do this, including offering video enhancement or upscaling services. There are many websites that can help you with this, including the global website Fiverr. When we enter the website and type enhance video, for example, these are the results. There are people who sell video enhancement and upscaling services. Through these services, we can get an idea about the price of the service. Also, the appropriate title and description for this. We can also use ChatGPT or Bard. If you want me to make a video explaining how to make a gig on Fiverr, write that in the comments, and if I see interaction, I will make an explanation for that. So as you can see, you can profit from improving the quality of videos. This is the end of this video. Thanks for joining me today. If you have any questions regarding this video, leave a comment and let's discuss.